In this video, we will take an overview of save option. So the path we have file, options, then save. So you can see customize how projects are saved. So actually this section in MS Project controls how and where project files are saved, including the file format, auto saving settings, template locations, and cache management. So, understanding these settings ensures efficient project management, prevent data loss, and optimize file storage. Okay. So, first option we have here save projects. So this section actually allow users to define how project files are saved by default. So save files in this format. You can see if I click on drop down, so you we can see here three options: product, then Microsoft Product 2007, then product templates. Product template. Okay, so actually the default format for saving Microsoft Office for is a product. So user can change this format based uh, on a needs. Okay, so such as older version of the project are exporting to another application, so you can change. After that we have a default file location. Okay, so actually this option you can understand actually specify where new file project files are saved by default. Okay, so click on this option so you can choose the correct setting in the. So actually, this option helps organize files and ensure they are stored in an easily accessible location. Okay, so next we have auto save. So auto save, you can see it's very important. Okay, so the actually auto save option. If I click in this option, so you can see by default we have a 10 minutes. So it's what it does mean. Actually, it's mean and it enabled this feature will automatically save work at a regular interval. For example, every 10 minutes. Okay, so this option actually prevents data loss in case of power failure or software crashed. So next you can see when automatically saving. So we have two options here: save active project only, save all open projects. So the first option actually saves just the currently project. First option we use to save for the currently project. Okay. So second option automatically save all the projects at the same time. So you can choose either this one option or this option. So best option is the first one. Next, we have prompts before saving. So this enabled MS Project asks for the confirmation before saving a file. Okay. So next we have a don't allow the backstage when opening or saving file. So you can say by default clicking file to save options the backstage view where users select a location. So this option actually enabling this option save files faster by the skipping the backstage screen. Okay. Next we have a show additional place for saving even if sign in may be required. So this option allow saving to cloud locations like the OneDrive or a SharePoint. Actually, this option is you can say useful for the users working remotely. So after that, we have here the save to computer by default. So if enables this option, so it will be actually allow files will be saved locally instead of a cloud-based uh, services. Okay. Okay, so next we have here save templates. Here you can see save templates. So Default, you can see default personal templating location. Actually, this option allows users to store and reuse customized project templates. Okay. So you can also uh, click on browse and lets user select a folder for storing templates. So I think organizations often use the standard product templates for the consistent formatting and workflow. So, setting a template location helps save time and ensures uniform product structures. So after that, we have here cache setting or a cache. So actually, the cache storage temporary copies of product files for faster access and for performance optimization. So cache size limit in MBs, you can see by default we have a 50. So this default limit we can see here of 50. So actually it defines we can also increase its limits. Actually a higher cache size speeds up performance but use more space. Okay, so you can increase or decrease from here. So cache location you can see here. Actually, this option specifies where cache files are stored on the computer. Okay. By clicking browse, you can see lets users to change the cache folder. This option is useful for the default storage drive if drive is full or the faster access is needed. After that, we have here, these two options are disabled. Okay, so first one, your view cache status. So actually, you can say it show how much space the cache is using and which file are stored. We can see the second option, clean up cache. So we can also delete the unnecessary cache files to free up the storage and improve system performance. Okay. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. You can do settings as per your requirement. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.